So here we have a Bose speaker that I purchased over at an estate sale. It is the Bose 301 series 2. Anyways, when I got it home, I was looking it over, and when I popped this screen off, I noticed that all the foam surround on it was completely gone. So I went ahead and I ordered a kit. Let's see a little bit more better. I ordered a kit to put a foam surround on it, and it's pretty simple to actually put on. We're going to go ahead and take this frame off real quick. And we actually have just the foam surround itself that I ordered, and some glue, special little glue that's supposed to stick pretty good. And what we also need to do is clean around the old foam that was on there, so we're going to just go ahead and blade all that off. Take all that old glue and old foam that's in there. Even on the cone itself, it's got a little bit of buildup. You might want to kind of scrape off the old foam that was on there. It doesn't have to be super clean, but at least take off all the old foam. Make sure to get all that off. As you can see, we've already pretty much got everything off pretty clean. It takes a couple of minutes for it to be just enough to be kind of smooth surface. Like I said, it doesn't have to be super clean, but enough for the glue can stick. And then we'll just kind of give this a little try of where it's going to sit. You want to make sure that this sits right on the edge, and then this is going to sit on the upper part of the cone part. You can see right there. Okay, so now we're going to get some glue and run a bead all the way around. Make sure you connect from one end to another. Don't leave any gaps in between, because you'll get a real bad vibration on the speaker when you're playing it. And don't have any weak points either. Make sure there's plenty of glue, and don't be afraid to use it. Then we're going to run a bead also on top of the cone itself. There again, make sure there's plenty of glue on it, so when you set it on, it actually sticks to it really nice and firm. Don't be afraid to use plenty of glue. Okay, then we get the foam surround, and I always like to set the cone part in kind of first. And then work my way out. Just kind of tap it a little bit, make sure that glue is kind of sticking, and then work your way out. I wouldn't put any tests to it just yet. I would probably wait at least 24 hours before I put any sound into it, because you want to make sure that glue really dries well. kind of run your fingers all the way around, and the glue actually starts getting pretty sticky. So once you get the foam pretty much leveled down all the way, going just kind of tapping as the glue starts to dry a little bit, get more stickier. You can see that it's doing pretty well. I'm going to go ahead and put the frame back on the top. That way it actually holds the whole thing down, the foam surround down pretty well and even. Like I said, don't put any sound through it for at least 24 hours. Make sure that glue sticks really well. And there you have it. Fixed speaker. Bose.